I've heard that a new real bed is built for me recently. In this weather, it's a good news. I hope I will enjoy the new bed this time. I normally don't want to sleep alone, and I want to rest next to Papa and Mama. That's why I destroyed my other comfy beds and enjoy the human bed instead. Mama not approves, so she bought me a real bed which fits my size well, and Papa built it nicely and set it beside their feet in the PC room, my favorite room. It's looking goof and well built. I can't wait to try it now. Wow! It's perfect for me, I believe. First try. Need some mama smell to make me safe and feel like home.
Delong? Good boy.
Feeling really good. So far so goofed.